All right, folks, this is example 2 on page 367. Okay, we're going to jump right in. Like I said, I'm going to go through the example a whole lot quicker than I will the check. Okay. All right, Miss Miller is buying wax to make candles. She wants to make at least 35 candles, and she needs 6.5 ounces of wax for each candle. So she's ordering this wax in a big bunch, and she's splitting it up into 6.5 sections, or 6.5 ounce sections. Okay, she wants 35 candles. She's trying to figure out how much wax does she need to buy. Okay, they ask us to determine the amount of wax she needs to buy. So I know that I need at least 35 candles. So more or equal to 35. That's where that symbol comes from. I didn't just pull it out of the air. So that's this part. Okay. So if I'm ending up with the 35, remember, I'm not answering the question right now. I'm writing the inequality to illustrate the situation. Okay. So to illustrate the situation, to get to the 35 candles, I would take however much she bought and I would divide it by 6.5. Okay, and that's exactly what they've done here. And I'm going to multiply both sides by 6.5. Once that goes to 1, this multiplication is done. She has to buy 227.5 ounces of candle wax. And I'm not even going to write all that in. That's the answer. It's right there. Just go ahead and fill in the graph. Close circle to the right. Okay? All right, let's go to the check on page 368, which is just the next page. Okay? All right, Thomas is making popsicles from a juice mixture. He needs 7.5 ounces of juice for each popsicle and wants to make no more than 12 popsicles. He does not want a bunch of leftover popsicles. He wants 12. So no more than 12 is less than or equal to 12. Okay? How much juice should he make? So we're looking to see how much juice he should make so he can then make 12 popsicles. Okay, so he's making two things. He has to make the juice first, so he's making a big batch of it, and then he's going to separate it into popsicles. Okay, so looking at this inequality, what are we going to do? Okay, let's think about it. It needs to be less than or equal to 12, so let's eliminate the greater thans. Nope. And nope. Okay, so am I going to multiply the 7.5 by x, which is how much juice he makes, how many ounces of juice he makes, or am I going to divide how much juice he makes by the 7.5? Hopefully you said we are going to divide because I'm splitting it up. Okay, I'm going to pour 7.5 here, 7.5 here, 7.5 here, and I want it to end up to be 12 or less. Okay, so when I solve this, here, let's just go down. How does that go? When I have x divided by 7.5 is less than or equal to 12, I multiply both sides by 7.5. Okay. Well, and I'll tell you, I'm not even going to do this because I know it's not 1.6 because 12 times 7 is 84, so it has to be bigger than 84. The only option would be 90, which is going to be A because that is the symbol I've got. Okay? All right, so he needs to make no more than 90 ounces of juice. And I say no more, or I could say the maximum amount of juice he needs to make is 90 ounces. And that is because he doesn't want leftover popsicles. He doesn't want popsicles everywhere. He just wants 12. Okay?